Hello, hi, my name is Winter and I love Taeyeon. I'm very excited for her Rain release. I'm really excited. It's early in the morning, but who cares? So if I have bags under my eyes, I would love it if you just ignored it, and who cares anyways, because we're here to listen to Taeyeon. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, I viewed the teasers for this video and I have to say I'm like super excited. It's like exactly like Taeyeon's style, like the queen of aesthetics, and she's just an exotic little fairy. She's such a queen. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, here we go. Stop stalling. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh, this is pretty. This is guitar. Oh yeah, Taeyeon, yeah. Oh my god. Look at her legs. She's so freaking pretty. Okay, girl, I see you pouring that water in that fishbowl. Why is she... What? She's so freaking pretty. Oh god, she's so pretty. I just want to hug her. She looks like she needs a hug. Can I hug you? Oh, it's so pretty. Why don't people like her short hair? Look how hot she is. She's so hot. Oh, sorry. Okay. Why are you pouring water in things? 11 for 11? Oh my god, she's so pretty! Look at her, that's just a queen laying on the couch. Wow, that outfit. I love Taeyeon. Oh wow. Whoa. Look at it. She looks so fluffy. What? Taeyeon, you must be on some hardcore drugs or something. Just for that to happen, for everything to turn into rain. She's like, this is normal. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, she's so freaking pretty! I love this! That favorite scenes is the ones with the microphone. Wow. She dropped a journal. Her voice gives me tingles. She's such a little fairy. She looked like she wanted somebody to hold her the way she was just sitting there, and she looked so fluffy in her little fluffy coat, and I love Taeyeon. I'm sorry if I get too hyped, but I just love Taeyeon. I think she's so beautiful and she's so pretty and she's such a dork, and I just love everything about her personality, and I love her music and I love her voice, and I'm so happy to hear her do another single. Well, usually like we compare previous releases, and comparing this to honestly, this is my personal opinion. I love because you know I don't even know how to explain it. It was such a, you know what that means. It was such a bop, you know. It was so good. I was the classic, but I love Rain. That guitar strum and just Taeyeon's voice when she went to like that really high, like it was like a really high note, but it wasn't that long. I'm dead. Oh my god, I loved it. I love it. Taeyeon, I love you. Please continue making music for all of us. Please, your voice is beautiful. You're beautiful. And your short hair is amazing. Don't let anybody tell you any different. Your short hair is amazing. She's like a little, she's the queen of aesthetics. I love Taeyeon. I love her. Okay. I'm just gonna keep saying that I love her over and over again, but that music video was really cool. Why did everything turn into rain? Like, the thing she was pouring water out of, everything turned into water. And then she's just laying for the rest of the video. I would have watched this music video if Taeyeon was just laying on the couch the whole time, and I still would have been freaking out. But my favorite scenes have to be the ones where she was singing with the microphone. Her outfit looked amazing. Her hair, oh my god. She looked so good, and I just think she looks really beautiful now. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I love Taeyeon, and that's it. Goodbye!
She's so fucking pretty.